So hey there everybody, as always, welcome to the channel. This is a quick little special video today. So I know a lot of the channel subscribers here are interested in drone work and doing drone construction progression and all those types of things. One of the things that comes along with doing the type of work that we do is also doing post-processing, photo edits, video edits, mapping and modeling, post-processing as well. But today I just wanted to have a quick talk with y'all if you are Final Cut users, and I know that not all the folks on channel are Final Cut users, but you might find this interesting as well. The latest version of Final Cut came out recently, and my YouTube feed has just been blowing up with all the new tools that Final Cut has. And I'm going to be showing you one of the tools momentarily. It's already going on and you don't even know it's happening. But one of the things that Final Cut has now added is using a magnetic mask tool. So back in the day, if you remember and you've been with this channel for a while, I used to have a big green screen. You know, it just got cumbersome to always be doing the green screen and, you know, doing a chroma key or something. So I just let the background be. And yes, I've got strange little funny stuffed animals and things. That's an ongoing family joke, but they're all up there and it's okay to have them there. You can't take yourself too seriously, right? But now with this magnetic mask tool, I don't really need a green screen anymore because the magnetic mask can let me select subjects, analyze them, and then put them in so that basically there's an empty background, which you're now seeing. So we've got this empty background here, and well, it's not empty, I've put something behind me, just like if I was doing a green screen. So to those of you who are using Final Cut and doing post-processing for your clients, here's another awesome tool. And you know, it's a great tool for having a talk like this with you and me, but it's going to be an interesting tool for you know, other types of video setups. And like I said, there's a ton of people doing tutorials. I'm not doing a tutorial on it. There's a lot of people out there who are much better than me with Final Cut. I'd call myself intermediate with using Final Cut for the work we do. But the super high pro grade editing, we haven't really been asked for much of that in the first place, and that's okay. But you know, if we need to do it, of course, we're always up to the challenge of adding new tools into what we're doing for our drone business. So what do you guys think? Is this, you know, it's like the green screen, like, you know, like doing a chroma key in OBS. So I find it pretty interesting, and you know, if we clean it up just right, then you really don't need the green screen at all. So if you haven't already, go out, just do a Final Cut magnetic mask. Take a look at some of the tutorials out there. There's some great ones. One of the tutorials is from Jen Jager. So you can Jenn and then Jager. And she's got some really great Final Cut videos, so swing by her channel, give her a like and a subscribe, and check out what's going on with the magnetic mask. I find it really cool, and those of you who are editing with Final Cut Pro, I think you're going to find it pretty cool as well. All right, everybody, tomorrow's Thanksgiving, so I hope you all have a great Thanksgiving, and then watch out for our announcement for our Black Friday sale. Our continuing Black Friday sale is still going on, so check that out too. After you're done running around town and getting the best deals. All right, everybody, we'll see you again really soon. Have a great one.